Okay, welcome to the playlist of conferences and FDP, uh, FTP and conferences. Those who have come under VTU, autonomous colleges, and under VTU colleges. Okay, now this is the first video I'm going to do under conferences and FTP playlist. This I'm going to concentrate on this conference. The first international conference on emerging technologies in science and engineering, IAC ETSE 24 2024. This will they will going to conduct on 26 and 27 June, 26 and 27 June 26th and 27th June 2024 in association with IQAC. So the paper publication submission last date is 15/4/2024, but now they will going to extend the date, so no need to worry up to 30 April 2024 ವರೆಗೂ time ಇದೆ. We can apply, and notification of acceptance 15/5/2024. Last date for registration 25/2024. Submission of camera ready paper 25/5/2024. Conference date 26 and 27 June 24. Now let's get into the fees details. UG or PG student details. Fees details 3,000. UG or PG students Scopus index 7,500. Research scholar or faculty 7,500. Industry people 10,000. Active listener 5,000. Okay. This college is come in Tumakuru, placed in Tumakuru. So we can apply. Payment details here. I'm going to upload in the description box. Everything. Link and everything. Here payment details is there. You can check it out. Pause the video and check it out. And then everything I'm going to upload in the I'm going to give in the description box. Okay. Please pause the video and read it out. I will also provide this brochure in the description box. No need to worry. Okay. All the papers are all the accepted and registered conference paper will be published in the conference proceedings with ISBN, and it will be indexed by Scopus. Okay. Thank you so much.